Hello guys, I'm going to teach you this routine in just less than 10 minutes. Do you want to learn? Let's go. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 easy steps. You get me? 36 easy steps. So let's go. We start from the top. It's simple. First of all, you have to stretch. Get yourself a wall, where you can place your arms and give me a 90 degree angle. You see, your arm. You have to be able to make some good shapes, some proper good shapes. You see? So get yourself a wall and press your arm like this. Press it, or like here. Press it, press it, press it, press it. Get a good angle. Yeah. So we go from step one. Step one is cross. Yeah. Make a X. Drop your right. Yeah. Drop your right from that joint. Come bring it up to this point. Yeah. Go down with it. Come back up. You see? So first step is 1, down, up, down. So from in to outside, from inward to outside. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? That's step one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up again. Then turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then turn. You see? Yeah. After you've turned, in, turn, drop, then this point. So we start from the top to that point. It's kind of long, just 36 steps. 36 steps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are 10 first steps. Do you still want to continue? Do you still want to continue? Oh, I should start from the top. Okay, let's go from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see? So after the 10, you just raise the fingers up. Then drop your right arm. Then turn it to the side. Then move with your face and your hand on the other side. Then back. Then drop this down. So it's that impact, that ta, ta. You see that impact. So start from the 10th step. The 10th step was this step. This is the 10th step. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see, those are up to 15 steps. So the 11th step is here. Raise 12, drop 13, turn 14, drop 15, then the 16 movement, the impact, pop, pop. You see? Yeah. Those are 16 steps. So we're only remaining with another 16. It's kind of advanced, but it's easy and simple. Once you tell yourself it's easy and simple, it becomes easy and simple. So you start from the top again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. You see, the 17th, I guess. You're 16 or 17, but it's just a motion. Yeah, yeah. It comes will hurt a bit, but it's worth it. You see, you need the right angle. So make sure every time you press, you have that exercise before you start tutting. You have that exercise of pressing your arm for applying pressure at this point. so you can have the good shape rather than having the dark hand. You'll have a perfect angle, a 90. You see, you'll have a 90. Yeah, so make sure you're pressing you're applying pressure here to be able to get the angle. You get the angle. Yeah, so you start from the top again. Okay, slow. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So this motion is the 17th motion. 17. You see, so we come from the 10th step. 11, this part 2, 11 12 13 14 15. You see, this is the second time, the second step, the second, what do you call it? Whatever we want to call it. Oh, Masheri. Okay, go again. Oh, you finish. So after you're here, the 17th, so you're here, then you drop this comes down, then this will follow. You see, will follow, but mostly I want it to be like tan ra ra. So this is not a count. It will be like drop, then just place, then out, up, down. You see, it goes round. So after here, you drop this one follows, this one out, up, down. After it comes down, this one goes up. You see, then this one comes up and down. You see, then drop. Yeah. We go again. Okay. The 17th motion, 17th, then boom, up, down, up, down, apart, up. That's the third set. Oh, it's set. First set, second set, third set. Oh, third set. The third set from here. Now this drops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the third set. That's it. And then the last set now. We go 1. This is the fourth set. 2. You see? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. You're done with the whole choreo. Now let's go. The last set. The last set starts from boom, 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 boom. After you've separated up, you go 1. Turn your left inward, then your right, a good square, then a good rectangle, then drop, then an X, then you're done. You see? So we run it up fast from the top. The 4 sets. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow. We go slow. Okay, let's go slow. But it's easy. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and you're done. Yeah.